Let's review the generator, which demonstrate one of the key feature of Angular 2 router and few of the basic functionality we needed when we start developing application in Angular 2. Angular 1 and Angular 2 is quite bit different. In Angular 1 we have only option to write our applications in JavaScript, but in Angular 2 you will see a lot of functionalities like you can write your functionality in TypeScript, Dirt, or you can choose JavaScript various versions like ES5, ES6, all these options you have, and there is no controller concept in Angular 2. In Angular 1 vastly we have been writing applications in MVVM or MVCM, whatever C model applications where we have been having a view. Then we have been writing something in the HTML file called as view, and in our controller we are writing logics, then little bit deep down to the Angular services, factories, and so on. But in Angular 2 they have taken a little bit different approaches, like everything is based on a component. Component are part of the module, and inside the component you have your views, you have HTMLs, lot more functionalities and an enhanced application, I would say. In Angular 2, in Angular 1 there have been a lot of problems, scopes, binding, digest loop, all these things. I think they all clean all these things, and they have a observable patterns which they take it from RxJS. So we will not go much deep into that, what observable, what promise APIs and all. So today we will review it, generator Angular 2. It just basic give us an idea how we can start our Angular 2 application with basic just few components, services, and navigating your pages from one page to another to router. So as it is a your generators, I think you have basic ideas of your generators. It basically provides you the scaffolding of your application. If you want to start developing one applications, you just have to generate one applications. There are many generators available, and once you have the generator, you will get the basic structure frame of your application, and then you can keep building it. If you don't like one scaffolding, you can switch to another. If you'll go to the IO generator sites, you will see a lot of generator applications. For example, let's say we want to write a Angular 2 applications. If I will type Angular 2, it will drill down all the Angular 2 application available. As you can see all the Angular 2 related applications architectures are available. So today we will demonstrate the Angular 2 with router. If you will link into that, it will directly take you to the GitHub projects. It also available in the npm.js. So to install it, we just have to install the I hope you if in your machines you have already npm.js. So if you don't have npm.js, I would recommend to install the Node.js. Is the basic Node.js you would need to start development, because all the dependencies you can download it from the it will be used by the Node.js. So let's hope that you have Node.js, and npm command is available in your desktop. If you type npm, it will give the version of npm you have been using. So the next step is you can write npm install -g. I mean, it's for the global. I mean, all the from the command prompt anywhere you can type this, and you need to install the IO. I already have Yeoman installed, so it will just check out, and it will quickly check out what are the available and check the caches available and download it and install it. Once you are available, from your command, yo command, I can install all the Yeoman generators. Every generator, your generator would start with generator dash, then your generator name, and once you have your Yeoman available, you need to install the package, the generator you want that. For example, we need to generator Angular 2 with router, so once we need to install the generator from the npm package, then we just when we need to scaffold it, we just have to say Angular 2 with router. Let's do that in our command. I think it's still executing. It's still executing. Let's open a new command prompt. Yeah, you can see this. This is the Yo is available in our machines right now. If I'll say Yo -v, it's saying like run a generator. We would like what I would like to do generator and all in these things. So we don't want to do anything from this. Would you like to use golf? So I think it have a basic structures. It is installing something Yeoman or something. So let's out of this, and we need to install our npm generator. So what it will do, it will store install the generator Angular 2 with router in a global scope, and once it is installed, we can write a yo command and install the generator. It will then the yo command will download all the source codes, all the structures, and it will be ready to use. Before all these things, it is a whatever we are doing, we are just making the environment ready so that we can download our generator and use it. In case you want to directly use your generators, you can directly go to the sites and clone it and write your applications. You can see all the codes available there. Basically all the codes are available inside the template. What are the template template structure, you can see directly from the GitHub as well. I think it will just take a few minutes. Done. So let's right now create an folder. For example, let's say I'm using Windows, so let's say create Angular 2 router demo. NGULIR. Oh, it have a double A, so that's why it's not coming. So right now what we need to write is yo, then Angular 2 with router. So what it will do is it will download all the codes. I'm sorry, it will not download it already, as the generator is in our local machines. It will create a scaffolding for us. So first off, the question, would you like to enable these options? Would you like to enable these options? I mean, what option? Welcome to the Angular writers. So it's just asking enable. You can choose anything. For example, let's say I said no. So what it's created all the classes and folders inside your folders, and that once that is done, it's doing a npm install and bower install. so that all the dependencies will be downloaded for this project. Let's see what are the codes it has downloaded. As we created a folder Angular 2 router, and inside that we just write the command. So this is our basic project structures generated. You can see there is a app folder, there is asset folders, you have typing configurations, TS configuration to make the node understandable. This is the package.jsons. Let's import that project, and I'm using a IntelliJ here. I like this ID very much. If you want to use another IDs, it's good. So let's open the project and see what are there in the project. So as you can see, there is a typing configurations. This is basically nipped by the typing. I think this is the old version of typing. It have been using this formats. The new typing configuration comes with this way. You can see yes, 5 target module system.js, all the configurations. You can get this. This is the package.jsons, and all the assets, images. Then this is the main folders. Let's concentrate about the code, what we have, and I will start our applications. So every Angular components modules start with a you need to bootstrap your applications. You will see this. These are the basic JavaScript files we need to start our applications. Then system.js loader. You can see system.js import catch. This is our bootstrap. It will start from here. So if you see this Angular, if you're familiar with Angular 1, you can remember we create directives and use that. Here what we're saying is our app component will be injected into this. Let's get started. Here you will see main, and then I say bootstrap platform, then bootstrap app module. I imported app module here. This is application used by TypeScript, is developed using TypeScript, and here is our router. If you'll see our component, I said like my selector is app, whatever we used in our index.html. So whatever the app component HTML will be injected into that, and all the binding will be done by there. So let's see our HTML page. I have created a multi-level routing. The way we are using named routing, here the same routlet, it's for the header, breadcrumb, message, headings. Then we have a, without name routing, we'll inject everything into here. Then we have a summary, then we have a footer. So app component will inject into there, and we will see the all the required application outputs there. Let's see if the AngularJS done its part. Done. Oh, that's done. Let's type npm run start. So npm run start will do typing, install, and everything. It will pop up our applications into a browser. Oh, it says loading, and it shows some error. It didn't found system.js. I don't know why it didn't find system.js. Might have some problem. So let's create a system.js right now. You can see this. There is no system.js here. Let's download it from online. Let's create it, the system.js right now. If I'll go here, I will new file, system, what's the file name, is system.config.js. I think S capital. This is how it will load your applications. No. Oh, okay, we need to paste it here. Let's see what happens. Still now system just configurations. Okay, we will continue reviewing in our next sessions. Let's